Ready to supercharge your browsing experience and dive into the exciting world of Chrome extension development? Today, we're demystifying the process and equipping you with the foundational knowledge to craft your own custom extension, transforming how you interact with the web. Our journey begins with the crucial manifest file, Manifest, and think of this as the blueprint for your extension, providing Chrome with all the necessary information about it. Next up, background scripts. These hidden heroes silently work behind the scenes, managing events and executing tasks independently of any specific web page. Now, let's inject some magic into the web page itself with content scripts. These scripts allow you to modify the content and behavior of websites you visit. To load your extension, navigate to Chrome, Extensions, enable developer mode, and click Load Unpacked. Select your extension folder, and voila! Your very own Chrome extension is now active. Now you're equipped with the fundamental steps to begin developing Chrome extensions. Let your creativity flow and start building extensions that enhance your browsing experience and solve real-world problems.